There's one for the Mopar Chrysler fans. Not going to see one of these every day. 1968 Chrysler 300 convertible. 2,161 of these believed to be produced. Judging by the fender tag on this one, this was a Consort blue car originally. Has had a repaint along the line somewhere, obviously still in blue. Underneath the hood, 440 V8 powered, that is paired up with an automatic transmission. If you'd like to see the still pictures, so you can check out that engine bay, the underside of this car, top up, top down, over 100 pictures of this car online. They can be checked out at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us too, 507-386-1726. Of course, hideaway headlights up here. Let you get an idea kind of how the grill, front bumper and everything looks. This is one of those cars, little TLC to take to the next level. Would really change a few things on this. Or you could take it and drive it and enjoy it the way it is. And I'll kind of point some of those out as I go around. When I put the top up, I'm going to point a few things I did notice were worn on the top some. And again, could be driven with the top down the majority of its life and you wouldn't even notice it. Carpeting was another thing. Possibly could stand to be replaced. Windows in the rear here did not roll up and down the way we like them to. The owner of this car has chose to leave it the way it is, price it accordingly, so the next person that comes along, I want to purchase it, and again, drive it the way it is, or take it to the next level. Automatic shift in the column, power steering, power brakes, AC car from the factory. So it's a very nicely equipped car. Also has power driver's seat, power windows, also had the power wing windows. Now, if you want to check on financing, we do offer financing in the classic cars we have. We also can consider trades. We can assist with transportation. And of course, this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. I'm going to start it up here in a second too. You can see the paint's very presentable on it. Again, has had a repaint along the way somewhere, but does show nice. There's a nice shine, nice luster to it. So that's something you won't have to worry about a whole lot. Remember, still pictures, underside, engine bay, trunk, still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description is going to take you right there. Of course, this being one of the non-letter series 300s, made from 62 to 71. And again, a little over 2,000 of these produced, so lower production number, obviously. Just do not see these around. Interior, looking pretty stock. There's your power windows, power wing windows also. Let's go ahead and start this up. Show you a couple things on the seat and the carpeting also. Power seat does work, gas gauge works, alternator gauge works. Would have had an 8-track player from the factory in this one. Headlight doors also do work, as you can see from the headlights up there. I'm going to leave the lights on. We're going to check that out when we check out the engine bay. Nice little rumble coming out of that 340. Other thing I wanted to mention, wipers do work also. Dash in nice shape. So yeah, a lot of things going for this car. A little TLC could really take it to the next level. One of the things I did mention was carpeting. Carpeting has seen better days, and passenger seat is going to take a little TLC over there too. Or, like I said, you want to throw some floor mats down, maybe put on some seat covers, drive it the way it is. Hey, go for it that way too. Slip around to the back. Nice little rumble coming out of that 440 you can hear back here. Alright, I'm going to slip up to the front. Let's check out those headlight doors, show you that they opened. That works. Pretty cool. right, I'm going to pause this a second. I want to pop the hood, let you check out the engine bay. Let's get a look at that V8 underneath there.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
I'm going to show you the dual hood release on this one, just because sometimes it's harder to find. This one's right here. So you reach into this side of the grill, open this, and then you have the secondary back in the center. In case we ever have questions on that. Previous owner installed a new radiator on it. See the compressor for the AC still there. Have not had that blowing cold, but as you can see, engine bay looking pretty stock. So good power steering pump. There are a few miscellaneous things that will also go with this car. There is a car cover, a Holley 4-barrel carb, and some wheel covers. They'll be in the trunk. There's a jack, spare tire, that stuff in the trunk too. Sounds good. You can definitely hear it's a smooth running engine. See it. Very cool 1968 Chrysler 300 convertible. A little over 2,000 of these made. Let me pause this one last time. We're going to run that top up and we'll close the hood and turn it off. And let's look at that. Here we have the top up now. And I want to point out a few of these things that let you know we'll need a little TLC also. As you can see, majority of the top, good shape. Now one little spot down here I wanted to point out, a little bit of a tear. There's that window area on the far side or passenger side, kind of mentioned. And then this little spot right here. Other than that, doesn't look too bad. Like I said, one of those cars you're going to drive around with the top down the majority of the time. Leave it like it is, drive it this way. Or if you want to take it to the next level, it is not a highly produced car, let's put it that way. Just not a ton of them out there with the, what, little over 2,100. So there you go, 1968 Chrysler 300 convertible. Don't see these every day, that 440 underneath the hood. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation of this vehicle. May be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call or email.